I'm Tushar Tayal from SP Jain School of Global Management from the September 2019 batch. I have a very interesting mania, a mania for business. I feel so restless sitting doing nothing, so I just kind of keep experimenting with different business models. I am the co-founder of Germount India and Travel Idea Private Limited. I am also CMO at one of the hotels here. I am very much fond of traveling, like exploring new places, trying new different cuisines. Also, one of my hobbies include photography. I'm very keenly interested in photography. So the majority of achievements in the year one at SP Jain, what I can remember is definitely more related to the business field. I could apply everything I'm learning in the classroom to the business that I had, Travel Idea, a travel business. This travel business, during this tenure of 10 months, it could reach a 1 million turnover, and we were enlisted on Silicon India magazine as the top 10 travel companies, and the business was started just a month before I joined SP Jain. So yes, that's one of the achievements, and I was appointed as the president of the Entrepreneurship Club. I was appointed as one of the major organizers at TEDx SP Jain Singapore. It stands cancelled due to COVID-19. Another achievement is being selected for as an exchange student at I University, Spain. But again, it stands cancelled due to COVID-19. And yes, I was appointed, I was enlisted on the Dean's List twice on rank 1 for both the semester 1 and semester 2. Okay, so my experience at SP Jain, it has been extraordinarily amazing, I must say. It has only been 1 year in Singapore, but that 1 year taught me a lot of lessons. It was full of adventure. I really miss our global learning team because it took us to different places every week. Probably some weeks we were taken to 2 different places, and it was we could see the whole of Singapore in that. Also, the type of projects that our professors give, and the entire classroom experience for that matter, the type of participation that the professors could engage within the entire classroom, it was really amazing, and I really miss a lot right now. Every single person, every single professor, every single non-faculty member has influenced my life in some manner. Every different professor, we had Professor Golo, who taught us how to be healthy and to be happy always. Professor Jere, who made us more capitalistic. Professor David, who has always taught us as many values and how to carry ourselves, how to present ourselves in the best of the manner, how to carry ourselves in different social contexts. And yes, definitely comes my friends. Currently, I'm trying to learn as many new skills as possible and to enhance the already existing skills. I'm also trying to give the best possible justice to my work role as the co-founder and CEO of Travel Idea Private Limited, co-founder of Germount India, and Chief Marketing Officer of one of the 3-star hotels in my town. Then I'm pursuing 4 different online courses in business, psychology, and app development. I'm trying to enhance my graphic designing skills to the maximum extent possible. So that's what I'm up to currently. I'm trying to network with as many people as possible to harness the potential of networking as much as possible.